Hey guys, and welcome back to another quick inform video. So today we're doing the official unboxing of the new LG Stylo 4. This is the Boost Mobile variant. As you can see, I was finally able to get my hands on it. You might be asking, where did I get it? Well, I got this at Walmart, guys, for $129.99. After taxes, it was almost $140, so it wasn't bad at all. So let's get to the unboxing and for a special request. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. So here's the box. As you can see, really nice, guys. Check it out. So as you can see, it says Boost Mobile Unlimited Data Talk and Text, LG Stylo 4. Let's see some of the specs now that come with it. So here's some of the specs here. It's a 6.2-inch Full HD touchscreen with Stylus, fingerprint sensor, 32 gigabytes of ROM with 2 gigabytes of RAM. So as you can see, this is a 2 gigabyte of RAM version. It is a 1.5 gigahertz octa-core processor at that. So pretty cool. And then of course the phone's picture is right there. It looks pretty nice, actually. I kind of like it. So let's see on the side. There's nothing but really the terms and conditions and blah blah. Now right here on the other side, you do have your Boost Mobile logo and a no service contract, of course. Now in the back is where we get to the specs and all that cool stuff. So here we go, guys. Got some good lighting for you now. So it says LG Stylo 4. It is a 6.2 Full HD touchscreen with Stylus. It does have a 3,300 milliamp battery, talk time up to 21 hours, 13 megapixel main camera with a wide angle 5 megapixel front facing camera. That's pretty cool that it does have a wide angle lens on this, at least in the front, and the back is a 13 megapixel. It does have a fingerprint sensor. Very cool. 32 gigs of internal storage with 2 gigabytes of RAM. So I know there's other variants of 3 gigs, but this one has 2 gigs. It's pretty cool still. Android OS. This is 4G LTE slash LTE Plus with 2x20 CA aggregation, and HPUE. And then it says right here on the side of it, it says pick a plan, activate, and make a payment. So very cool. And then on the bottom you do get some stuff. Now that we got all that boring stuff, let's get to the actual unboxing of this, guys. So let's go ahead and take a poke of it. Of course, Boost Mobile makes it super hard for everybody to open the back of the phones. So let's go ahead and speed this up and get it when it's open. So there we go, guys. I finally got it open. So I actually had to cut it just because, I mean, look at that. Boost Mobile's using some super crazy glue on here. I have no idea, man. It must be Gorilla Glue or something. But let's go ahead and take a look at it. So as you can see, there is a great box in there. So let's see what else we get in there. Whew, look at that. A sneak peek. Wow. Look at that. So LG Stylo 4. So it's not as fancy as other boxes, but hey, I like Boost Mobile's new packaging. It's pretty cool. It's just nice gray and black accents and all that stuff. Look very nice. So 6.2-inch Full HD display with Stylus. Here's the front facing, front fonts at least, 1.5 gigahertz octa-core processor, 2 gigabytes of RAM, 32 gigabytes of ROM, 13 megapixel rear facing camera, and wide, of course, LTE Plus. So there we go. On the right side of, or in the left side of it, it says LG Stylo 4. On the top, it just has the LG Stylo 4 logo right there. Same thing on the side. Now let's look at the back. That's where we're going to get more information on this phone. And this is the fun stuff we like seeing. So it says LG Stylo 4. It's a 6.2-inch Full HD screen, 1.5 gigahertz octa-core processor, 2 gigabytes of RAM, 32 gigabytes of internal storage, 13 megapixel rear and front is a 5, and then some extra hearing stuff. So let's get into the box and see what's actually inside. Alright, so let's go ahead and put this aside, guys. Now that we have this, let's go ahead and pop it open and see what it comes with. So, wow. Look at that. Pretty cool, guys. Let's see, is it a micro or is it a Type C? And the verdict says it's a Type C. Look at that, guys. Let me see if I can focus this puppy. It's a Type C. Let me pop it out. There it is. So it is a Type C charger. See, this thing focuses. Yo, there we go. So pretty cool, and thank God that Boost Mobile gave us a Type C with this, not a micro. A lot of people are crazy about it. Now this one does not have that quick charge, which is let down for some people. But hey, you know, let's we'll test out how fast it actually charges. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and pop it out. Good God, this thing is like stuck on there, man. That thing is really on there tight. I'm not even gonna lie to you. So here's the phone. Check it out. Looks very sweet, honestly. Pretty cool. So there we go, guys. There's the phone in all its glory. So yeah, let's go ahead and see what else comes in the box apart from the phone. So of course you do have your SIM extractor tool. Here it is. I mean, good God, what is this? Whoops, look at that. It felt so small. It looks like a paperclip. But enough of that. Then you do have your, I guess, whatever code. Make sure you're not stealing it. You do have your manual here. So terms and condition, limited warranty, USA, page 51. Nobody really reads these things, so I don't know what's up with that. You do have your wall adapter, travel adapter at that. So let's see if it zooms in. Nope. Oh, come on, camera. But you get it. Then Type-C. The real thing is we want to see what's inside the phone. But let's look at the phone really quick, guys. So here's the phone. On the bottom, you do have your stylus right there. As you can see, you do have your Type-C connector, charging port, should I say, 3.5mm headphone jack. On the right, you do have your power button. On the left, you do have your volume up and volume down right here. And I can tell you, it feels really light. I mean, good Lord. On the back, it's pretty cool. You do have, and this is the carbon fiber looking back case. I know some of them don't have it, but let me see if I can focus it on there. Can it focus? Can it focus? Let me see if I can get it to focus. So there you go, guys. It looks very nice. It's nice and shiny and everything. Pretty cool. Your fingerprint scanner is right there, your flash, and then your 13 megapixel rear facing camera. So let's go ahead and do the first boot up and see what we get with it. It does come with a plastic screen protector. I already kind of messed it up trying to take it out of the box. But there we go. I kind of moved it aside. Same thing. This one does say racing. So let's wait for it to, you know, kind of boot up and do all that good stuff. So there you go. It says Stylo 4. And let me open this up so you can kind of see it a little bit better with the lighting. Very nice. Here's the back of it. There you can kind of see the carbon fiber look to it a little bit more. But there we go, guys. Alright guys, so now that it's done going through the whole setup, I'm telling you, it does take quite a bit to go through the setup. But here we go, it's finally done. So let's get into it and see what it comes with. So you can see it looks pretty good. I mean, standard LG, doesn't have an app drawer or anything like that. I'm pretty sure in the settings you can. So here you go. Some of the Sprint apps have downloaded, and I'm pretty sure the Boost ones will as well. But let's just take a little quick look at it. So scrolling down, you can see your, sorry for that. So scrolling down, you can see some of the drop-down menu options that we have here. So Capture Plus, Wi-Fi, Sounds, Bluetooth, Call Plus, Calling Plus, Rotation, DTS, X3D Surround, Airplane Mode, Flashlight, pretty bright flashlight, Sync, Data, Battery Saver, Location, Comfort View, Do Not Disturb, Data Saver. So it's pretty good. Sorry about that. I don't know, they're texting. So pretty cool, you know, it looks nice, I would say. I really had to test it out, guys. It did feel a little sluggish earlier trying to turn it on, but right now it's super fast, so I'm definitely going to test it out, gaming, all that stuff. But that is the LG Stylo 4. Now you might be saying, whoa, don't end it without showing us the pen. So let's see the pen, guys. So here's the pen right here, so let's poke it out. Hey, pretty cool. So still has a feeling of kind of like a car antenna, but hey, it'll be alright. It does have Q-Lens, GIF Capture, Capture Plus, and Pop Memo. So let's go ahead and see that. So you can see there it is. Really responsive. Really feels like a pen, and wow. Real responsive. So overall, I think it's pretty good, guys. I mean, I would personally use this for, you know, business or anything like that, but we'll have to test out, see how the speaker is on this one and all that stuff. So also check out NetBuddy, netbuddy.co. That will be in the description below. It is unlimited AT&T Hotspot, mobile hotspot at that. No throttle or data cap on that. So use promo code Sanchez45973 to get $10 off your first month. Thank you. Thanks for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe. This is the LG Stylo 4 on Boost Mobile. Hopefully you liked the unboxing, and more to come. But you already know there's a review coming as well. So thank you for watching. Please comment, rate, subscribe.